guys, I'm here today to review the Irresistible Me hair extensions. The company reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in doing a review, and I've kind of, since you know that I have, most of you know, I have my own online hair extension business that I'm like going out of business, and I have less than 20 extensions left. So if you're interested in trying out some awesome quality clip-in hair extensions, check out my link below. But I don't have very many colors left, and I've wanted to kind of keep my channel going, and I thought it'd be great to do like a review, review different hair extensions to see which ones are good quality, which ones are worth it, which ones aren't. So this is going to be my first extensions that I'm going to review that's not the sweet extensions. Well, the first ones in a long time. And I hope you guys enjoy this. I feel like when I first started my YouTube channel, it was because I could not find videos on how to clip in hair extensions, and I decided to put one on YouTube, and that video has like well over 1 million views now. So that was how I got started, and I eventually started my own business, started my own brand line of hair extensions, and so I know a lot about what to look for as far as quality and things like that. So I'm going to be reviewing these today. This is the Irresistible Me. Sorry, I have a new camera and I keep wanting to look at the viewfinder, and I need to be looking straight ahead. Alright, so this is what it comes in. This is really nice packaging. It's a box that says the Irresistible Me hair extensions, and I've actually already opened this. In this video today, I'm going to do a review on what they look like straight out the package. Also, what I think the quality looks like. And then I'm going to wash them and see what they look like with their straight hair, and then curl them and see how they do under those conditions. But this is kind of what it looks like when you open up. Okay, and your extensions come in a little plastic container. Again, I've already opened mine, so I know they has a little sweet message there that tells you how to go on Instagram and hashtag your hair extensions. But one thing that's really nice about these extensions, first off, is you can try out the color when you first get them. This part will come sealed, and you do not want to open this part until you try the sample out, which is awesome. Because you can't return extensions once you open them and use them. So this is something, these are called the Trublend extensions from Irresistible Me, and there's a seamless weft. It's not thick and sewn like most of the other ones, as you can see. And I tried these out. I got the number 60, which is a white blonde, and it is 200 grams and 20 inches. And as you can see, when you clip it in, definitely matches my hair color. Blends in really nicely. So this weft also you can use with your set. So I already took these out and examined them a little bit, and they look like really great quality. They're very shiny, which I'm hoping after I wash them that some of that will go away. I tried another brand not too long ago when I thought about doing a little series on the different hair extensions that actually sell this type of extension too, with the seamless weft. Was not a huge fan of them. They were very shiny when I got them, and when I washed them, they were still super shiny. They did not look like human hair, and they wouldn't take hair color. I took them to a professional, and she's like, these will not dye. Like, I tried to darken them a little bit. But these ones look really nice, shiny. I'm hoping some of that will go away once I wash them. And the ends are very, very, very straight, nice. They don't look like they have split ends at all. Beautiful color. You don't see a lot of black hairs or anything in there like some of the extensions. But I'm excited to try these again. This is called the Trublend extensions. These are 20 inches long, and they're 200 grams of hair. And once you wash them, it'll kind of thicken them up. So my recommendation is always, whenever you are washing hair extensions, the least amount of damage or least amount of heat you can do to them will help them last longer. So I always wash mine and try to air dry them, lay them out on a towel, let them air dry, because again, you don't want to do a lot of heat to this, especially if you plan on curling them. So I'm going to wash mine, and I'll be back to try them out with I may do a little bit of blow drying because I'm trying to finish all this in a day. But I'm going to try to let them air dry as much as possible I'm going to put them in straight and let you see what they look like that way. And then I'm going to try to curl them. But stay tuned. Okay guys, so I dried the hair extensions. I ended up having to blow dry them a little bit. They're still a little bit damp, but I'm going to go ahead and put these in. This is what it looked like after I washed them and dried them. Anytime you do this with your extensions, it's definitely going to make the extensions thicker and look a little more natural. Take a little bit of the shine away, which in my opinion is good, because maybe not so much with people who have not had color treated hair, but if you color treat your hair, then you are probably not going to have super duper shiny, like super duper healthy hair, because you've had, you know, chemical processes done to it. So I wanted to let you know, this set I have is 200 grams. It comes with actually comes with 11 pieces total, one 8-inch weft with 4 clips, 4 7-inch wefts with 3 clips, and 4 4-inch wefts with 2 clips, 2 2-inch wefts with 1 clip. So that's what it comes with, and let's get started on putting these in so you can see what they look like when it's straight. I like to start on the bottom. I like to section off my hair and start just about mid-ear, right above my ears, mid-ear right there. And I'm going to clip this up. And I'm going to start with one of the 3 clip wefts. If I can find one here. And work my way up to the 4 clip weft. You can put these in however you like and put them in how you like them. Kind of label them, take them to a hairstylist and get them put in. But this is what I'm going to do. And this, I can tell you, is a lot thinner than the regular clip-in hair extensions. The wefts are much thinner. So if you are somebody who had trouble with the regular clip-in hair extensions, say they're clipping in really well. Really nice quality clips. So if you're a person that tried the regular clip-in hair extensions and you could see the wefts, these ones would probably be really good for you, because the wefts are super thin at the top. They have silicone there. These come in, I think it said 13 natural colors. I got number 60. They're 100% Remy. They have a silicone base. There's the 4 clip one. I took another little section here. I didn't flat iron these or anything. If you flat iron them, it's going to make them even more smooth. But I didn't, because I plan on curling them. One thing I noticed, that they're super flat to my head. Usually you can really feel extensions when you have them in, and I can barely feel these, guys. Wow. Super duper impressed. I have tons and tons and tons of like Rapunzel hair going on here. Alright, so this is what this looks like. I'm super impressed with these. Again, I haven't straightened them. If you straighten them, the ends would even look more smooth, but I dried them myself. As you can see, these look awesome. Don't pay attention to my chair here. These are super duper awesome. Look at all that hair. I mean, it blends in so well with my natural hair. Wow. As you can see here, you can see my natural hair. Because my hair is kind of, I have a straight across haircut. So what I plan on doing there is curling them to see if these blend in even better. Okay, so I quickly curl my hair. It literally, even with all this hair, it only took me probably 7-8 minutes to do it really quickly, just to show you what it looks like when you curl this long, beautiful hair. It curls so beautifully, and as you can see, it blends in my shorter hair with the extensions. Guys, if you've been looking for a new clip-in hair extension company to try out, definitely try out Irresistible Me. I just love it. I just think it is so beautiful. It curls beautifully, blends beautifully. You guys are gonna love it. And it has those really, my hair doesn't have a ton of volume, so it has those wefts that are flat to your head, the silicone seamless wefts. They call them the Trublend extensions. If you go to their website and sign up, I'm pretty sure you can get 20% off plus free shipping. I'm pretty sure to go check out their website. But the ones I have are $194.25. You may be able to get 20% off of that, which would be awesome and worth it. I would definitely purchase these with my own money if I was looking for extensions to replace mine, which I am going to be very shortly because I'm selling out of my old ones, and these ones would be a wonderful replacement. They have the traditional clip-ins too, but they also have these Trublend extensions. Totally worth it. Look how beautiful. Hope you guys check it out. Thanks for watching. Check out my Instagram. I may do some tutorials on there and pictures of me wearing these extensions and do some hair videos, but super, super pretty. I love them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe and check out my other social media, guys. Thanks.